SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well in your home. And I hope you all are happy and healthy in your home. So, this is your mentor Soni Sati. I am also good at my place. So today with me we are starting our chapter number 6 and the name of our chapter is More on MS PowerPoint 2016. So basically हमने जो अपनी previous classes में PowerPoint के बारे में जाना है, समझा है, आज हम उससे आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं और भी सारी चीज़ों को सीखने वाले हैं. So let's start the same with me in this chapter. So without any delay, let me select the pen and let's learn that what we are going to learn in this chapter. We will learn work with PowerPoint, changing the background, viewing slides, learning how to display slide, insert slides in presentation, learning advanced background options, learn slide show view and learn slideshow. So slideshow view and slideshow. So here we have a warm-up exercise based on our previous concepts, okay, previous chapters that you people have to do by yourself, okay. Now we have the language part, okay. So the basic purpose of any presentation is to communicate effectively. So basically presentation का क्या use होता है ताकि हम effectively, okay, एक effective, एक attractive communication कर सकें, okay. To communicate effectively, we must state our facts in a simple, concise and interesting manner. So, अगर आपको effective communication चाहिए, so आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Concise रखना पड़ेगा content, simple रखना पड़ेगा ताकि सबको समझ आए, and interesting manner में means आपको उसमें pause, fact ये सब चीजें भी apply करनी पड़ेगी. Now, any presentation consists of 4 basic elements. What are that? We, our audience, our message and our tool. So basically हम, हमारी audience, हमारा message and जो tools हम use कर रहे हैं. What are these tools? Like our language, notes, okay. Now Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 is a complete presentation software. So Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 से हम क्या करते हैं, एक complete presentation software है. Basically इसे हम कह सकते हैं bumper offer because it contains so many things, okay. It provides us helpful suggestion on the layout, design, formats of our slides. Let's have a quick recap of what we have already learned about PowerPoint in our previous classes. So what are these features of PowerPoint? So what are the features of PowerPoint? It enhances our presentation with pictures, sound effects, tables and charts. The main feature of PowerPoint are the following. So basically enhance करता है हमारी pictures, sound effects, tables, charts के help से हमारी presentation को. Now main features are that it gives us several ways to create a presentation. बहुत सारे तरीकों से हम presentation को create कर सकते हैं. Okay, creating slide is the root of all our work with PowerPoint. So basically PowerPoint का जो भी हमारा काम है उसकी root क्या है, जड़ क्या है? Creating slides. Okay, adding text will help us put our ideas into words. Basically content. So text को add करके हम content दे सकते हैं. Okay, the multimedia feature makes our slides sparkle. Here what multimedia shows? That means we can add sounds, we can add videos, photos, okay. For example, we can add clip art, sound effects, music, videos, clips, etc. Now working with PowerPoint. How we can work on PowerPoint? So follow the given steps to start PowerPoint. First step is click on start as we all know. Then scroll down to Microsoft Office 2016. Then step 3 says click on the small arrow beside it. So basically Microsoft Office 2016 के पास एक small arrow होता है, उसे click करेंगे. Then Microsoft PowerPoint पे हम click करेंगे, okay, उस drop down menu से. Now you can select from the types of presentation available. Click on new presentation, new option of file menu to have a look at the available templates presentation. So basically आप यहाँ पर already prepared themes of presentation को देख सकते हो. Okay, that is types of presentation available. And we can also click on new option from file menu to have a look at the available templates. Okay. Now you can select either a blank presentation or any other template and then click create. So basically आप एक blank presentation भी बना सकते हो. That means starting से. Okay. And then आपको create पे जाना है, click करना है, and a new presentation with a blank slide will open. So एक new presentation with a blank slide हमारी open हो जाएगी. Now click inside the placeholder to type your text. अब आपको क्या करना है, अंदर स्लाइड के अंदर प्लेस होल्डर पे क्लिक करना है so that you can type the text. Insertion point will appear. Okay. All the commands of PowerPoint are organized into 9 tabs. So how many types of tabs are there? There are 9 types of tabs. Okay, what are these? Home tab, insert tab, design tab, transition tab, animation tab, slideshow tab, review tab, view tab, and acrobat tab. Okay, these all are the tabs which are present on our presentation window to work with this. Okay, here are the tabs, all the tabs. Now to save a presentation, click on Save As option in the file menu. Okay, to close a presentation, click on Close option in file menu. If the file has not been saved, अगर आपकी file save नहीं हुई है, PowerPoint will display a dialog box asking you to save the changes you have made. So basically, अगर आपने कभी भी फिर से अपनी slide को देखा, okay, presentation को देखा, and then you made a change and you want to go back, okay. So अगर आपको changes save करने हैं, नहीं करने हैं, so उसके लिए भी आपसे Microsoft Office, this window will ask, okay. To open an existing presentation again, so अगर already existing कोई presentation आपके system में है, अगर आपको उसे open करनी है, so select open option on file tab and browse for the file. Here browse refers to get to the location where file is existing, okay, for the file you want to open. Now we have a fact that we can also save a presentation by pressing Ctrl S. So basically it is a shortcut key to save the presentation. Not only the presentation but so many things, okay. On the keyboard or by clicking the save option on the quick access toolbar. और basically हम quick access toolbar से save option से भी save कर सकते हैं. Now inserting slides in presentation, it is very important to insert slides, okay, because एक ही slide से काम नहीं होगा, okay. To make a presentation we have so many slides. So to insert a slide is an individual page in a presentation. Basically एक slide के refer करता है individual page of a representation, a presentation, okay. To insert a new slide in a presentation, follow these steps. Step 1 says click on new slide option on the Home tab. A pop-up window titled Office Theme showing different layout appears. Okay, Office Theme के नाम से एक top-up होगा. Okay, एक window show होगी छोटी सी, जिसमें आपके पास बहुत सारी themes होगी, layouts होंगे to select any kind of the slide. Okay. Step 2, choose the layout of slide you wish to add and click on it. A slide gets inserted in your presentation. So you will see that selected kind of slide is inserted in your presentation. Now again we have a fact that if we click on the upper part of new slide option, then a new slide get inserted without showing different layouts. So basically न्यू स्लाइड के ड्रॉप डाउन एरो पे अगर आप क्लिक करेंगे देन ऑफिस थीम होगा, बट अगर आप एकदम न्यू स्लाइड पे क्लिक करेंगे सो अगेन बेसिकली जो प्रीवियस वन थी सेम ऐसी ही एक और स्लाइड ओपन हो जाएगी, ओके. और यू कैन यूज कंट्रोल एन, देन यू कैन गेट अ न्यू स्लाइड ऑल्सो, ओके. कंट्रोल एन भी आपको एक न्यू स्लाइड इंसर्ट कर देता है. नाउ डिलीट अ स्लाइड. हाउ वी डिलीट अ स्लाइड? सी, select the slide you wish to delete in the slides pane. आपको यहाँ पे slide pane मिलता है, यहाँ पे आपको जो भी slide delete करनी है उस पे आपको select करना है and then right click the mouse on the slide, a pop-up menu appears. Click on delete slide on this. The slide gets deleted. So basically, right click करेंगे, delete option पे जाएंगे, delete slide option पे, and then you will see that the slide is deleted. Okay. Or you can just press the delete key from the keyboard. Okay. After selecting the slide in the slide pane. Now we have cut, copy and paste command. So we have already learned about in our Microsoft Office, okay, Microsoft Word also, okay. So let's understand it in this. The cut, copy and paste commands are found in the clipboard group of home tab on ribbon. So basically home tab में जो clipboard part होता है, clipboard group होता है, वहाँ पे ये available होता है, okay. ribbon के home tab में clipboard option में हमारे 3 commands available होते हैं. Step 1 is in the slide pane, click on the small slide picture you want to cut or copy. So basically slide pane में आप कोई भी slide picture या small slide आप select करें, okay. And then to cut or copy, what we have to do, go to the clipboard group and select the copy. So basically copy या cut करने के लिए आपको उस part को select करना है, then आपको copy या cut पे जाना है with the help of which is present on clipboard, okay. And to duplicate slide, you have to use copy, and you can remove the slide, okay. You can remove or you can change the position of the particular selected text or anything with the help of cut, okay. You want to move the slide from there. Now step 3 is go to clipboard. Now go to clipboard and again, and then you will see, then you have to select paste command, okay. Then you have to select the paste command, and we can also get these commands by right clicking on the slide. So basically आप जाकर paste command पे जाएंगे and you will see that आपका जो command था, आपका जो text था, selected part था, वो paste हो चुका है. We can also get these commands by right clicking on the slide. So basically right click से भी आप इन slides पे जा सकते हैं, okay. इन commands पे आप जा सकते हैं by the right clicking also. Now slides layout. What are the slides layout? So basically what is layout? Layout refers to like styles, okay. There's so many kind of slides, okay. Once we have chosen a blank slide for our new presentation, the first slide of our presentation appears. So basically सबसे पहले जब आप blank presentation पे जाते हैं, एक first blank slide आपको दिखती है. We can right click on the slide. Here we can choose different layout. So basically जो यहाँ पे slides panel में आपकी ये है slides, okay. यहाँ पे आप जैसे ही right click करेंगे आपको layouts मिल जाएंगे जो कि आपको change कर सकते हैं आप, okay. There are 9 different slides layout to choose from. 9 हमारे पास layouts होते हैं, and we simply make our selection and click on it. Each choice described below dictates how our completed slides will appear. So आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि आपकी completed slide कैसी दिखेगी, okay. Now title slide, again as per the name is saying title. So this option is useful for beginning a presentation. Basically presentation के basic starting में, okay. We know that we are talking about any concept, so before starting our concept we have to talk about the title firstly, okay. So that means we have to go to the beginning. So title slide is the beginning slide of a presentation. We can use this slide if we want to include subtitles or smaller text underneath the title. Basically अगर title है उसके नीचे कई बार आपने देखा होगा एक छोटा सा text लिखा होता है, a quote हो सकता है, a writer name हो सकता है. So you can write it with the help of title slide only. Now title and content. We use this layout when we need to make a list of things that fall underneath a general subject. So basically अगर आपको एक subject and then you have to write the content of that subject, you can use the title and content. Then section header, this option is useful for separating different sections within the same presentation. So एक presentation में आपको different section के लिए आप section header वाले option को layout को select कर सकते हैं. To content, this is useful option for showing text in addition to a graphic content type. And comparison like this, okay, this is such kind of slide, okay. This is a useful option for doing comparison of two types of the same content type and also to show text in addition to a graphic content type. Then we have title only. So here you will see the broad part of the slide is containing only title. Okay. This option is great for the beginning of a presentation. No subtitles are included in this layout. Now, if you will see a title only slide, you will see that यहाँ पे आपको subtitle के लिए कोई space नहीं है. Okay, only a broad space which is containing only title. Okay, that is why it is named as title only. Now blank, as the name is saying, blank means the blank slide. Okay, it will not show any part of the slide. A white blank. Okay, we use this layout if we want a blank slide formatted according to the master slide. So after selecting a blank slide, you can change it with the help of master slide commands. Okay. Now content with caption. So we use this to place content most often a graphic object. Okay, graphic object means here we are talking about a picture. Okay, on the right side of the slide, the left side allows for a title and the text to the described ऑब्जेक्ट. सो बेसिकली अगर आपको ऐसी स्लाइड चाहिए जहाँ पे आपको किसी इमेज को, किसी ग्राफिक प्रेजेंटेशन को अंडरस्टैंड कराना है, समझाना है, सो यू कैन यूज हेयर, लाइक हेयर इज द पिक्चर एंड हेयर यू आर राइटिंग द टेक्स्ट. ओके, this is content with caption. Now picture with caption. The upper part of the slide is used to place a picture. Under the slide we can add टाइटल एंड डिस्क्रिप्टिव टेक्स्ट इफ डिजायर्ड. सो बेसिकली आप एक इमेज, एक ग्राफिक ऑब्जेक्ट रख सकते हैं, देन यू कैन राइट हियर डिस्क्रिप्टिव टेक्स्ट फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. नाउ दिस इज हाउ वी कैन prepare a presentation with so many different kind of layouts. Okay, now changing background, how we can change the background. So if we have prepared our presentation, okay, text and we have inserted the images, now we can change the all the appearance of the our presentation with the help of background and so many colors. So let's see how we can do this. We can change the background of the slide. To change the background of a slide, follow the given steps. These steps are: click on design tab, then click on background styles icon. Okay, a pop-up menu appears. Click on format background. So basically design tab में जाकर आपको क्या करना है, background style पे जाना है. And then pop-up menu, that means एक विंडो, एक स्मॉल विंडो ओपन होगी, एक डायलॉग बॉक्स अपीयर होगा जहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे बैकग्राउंड मिलेंगे. And then you can click on format background. Now step 2 says, then click on the solid fill. In the format background window, click on the color of your choice. So basically आपको solid fill पे जाना है and then you can click any of the color as per your requirement, as per your choice. Now step 3 says clicking on more colors will show you so many more colors. Okay, so many more options. Opens up the color dialog box which has many colors to choose from. Now step 4 says select the color and click OK. So whatever the color you have to select, just select it and then click OK. The colors dialog box will disappear. Okay, after OK the box will disappear. The whole slides get filled with the selected color. So basically जो आपकी पूरी slide होगी वो उस color से fill हो जाएगी after the OK. Okay. Now learn advanced background options. So basically हमने इतना तो पहली क्लासेस में भी पढ़ा था, अब हम इस क्लासेस में एडवांस बैकग्राउंड के बारे में भी जानेंगे. ओके, फॉर्मेट बैकग्राउंड विंडो हैज 3 मोर ऑप्शंस. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे 3 मोर ऑप्शंस हमारे पास गिवन होते हैं अदर देन सॉलिड फिल. व्हाट आर दीज? ग्रेडियंट फिल. ओके, ग्रेडियंट फिल contains so many patterns. Okay, picture, so you can insert a picture in the background. Okay, or texture fill and the pattern fill. Okay, these 3 options are used to apply effects of different kinds to the slide. Basically आप इसमें different kind of effects apply कर सकते हो अपनी slides में. Okay, so gradient fill option is used to apply a shaded background. So basically shaded background अगर आपको चाहिए, for example this, for example dot shaded, for example triangle or star shaded, so you can use gradient fill. Okay, this option gives shade of various kind to our slide background. Now picture or texture fill. So see, this option is used to apply a picture or texture in the background. What texture refers to, like smoothness or hardness. Okay, so basically it will be like this. These are the texture. Okay, click on the texture drop down button. The texture pop-up opens up and you will see so many texture of the background. Now select a texture, click on OK. The selected texture gets filled in the background and you will see your slide is looking beautiful. Now to insert a picture, choose a picture either from file or clipboard or from clip art. The whole slide gets filled with the picture. So आप देखेंगे कि पूरी की पूरी जो आपकी पिक्चर है वो आपके बैकग्राउंड में फैल चुकी है, लग चुकी है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव पैटर्न फिल. Okay, now pattern fill will contain some pattern like this. Here we can see there are so many patterns, like here we have vertical line, horizontal line, zigzag line, dots, stars. Okay, click on the pattern fill. The pattern box open up. Select a pattern. You can choose the foreground and background colors of the pattern in the dialog box. The selected pattern gets filled in the background. You will see that selected pattern is filled in the background of the slide. Now after completing our slides, okay, after completing our presentation, now we have the concept of previewing. Okay, so अगर आपको कोई भी चीज complete करनी है उससे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, recheck. So to view slides or to recheck it, what we have to do, see, MS PowerPoint consists of multiple views to help you in the creation and presentation of your slides. So basically, अपनी स्लाइड को बनाने के लिए और उसको प्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमारे पास MS PowerPoint बहुत सारे व्यूज देता है. ओके, बहुत सारे ऑप्शन देता है, so that we can view it in so many options. Okay, these views are divided into two categories: presentation views and master views. Okay, presentation view will help you to present your presentation to the audience. Okay, and master view will help you to create your presentation, to edit your presentation. Now presentation views, in this group we find 4 views: normal view, slide sorter view, notes page and reading view. So let's understand them one by one. The normal view divides the screen into 3 sections: the main window, okay, where the current slide is displayed, the outline pane on the left and the ये outline pane आपका, and the notes pane at the bottom. So this is your notes pane. Okay, click to add notes, this one. The slide sorter is like this. Slide sorter, we know sorting means adjust करना, arrange करना. So here we can see 1 2 3, यहाँ पे sorter way में slides होती हैं. Here we can change them by dragging also. Okay, this view option shows all the slides in small size called thumbnail. So ये thumbnail option में, thumbnail view में आपको present होगी. Now you can quickly look, recognize all the slides and sort them according to our needs, to your needs. So basically अगर आपको comparison करना है, कोई change करना है, so you can use this one. आप इसमें एक साथ 3 3 4 4 slides को देख सकते हैं. Now we have notes page view. The notes pane is located under slides pane. We can type notes that apply to the current slide. Later we can print our notes and refer to them when we give our presentation in front of the viewers. Basically, आप इस वाले में क्या देखेंगे कि एक notes के manner में, जैसे हमारे hand written notes होते हैं, school notes, tuition notes होते हैं, उन्हीं की तरह यहाँ पे notes page view होगा. For example, this. Okay, here we can make a print of them with the help of this view. Okay, now we have reading view. How we can make a view so that we can read them easily. This view used to view the presentation in a window with simple controls that make the presentation easy to review. So basically, अगर आपको review करना है, so आपको उसको अच्छे से समझना पड़ेगा, understand करना पड़ेगा. So this reading view helps to do this. Now we have master view. Okay, again master view contains other options. Okay, the master view includes slide master, handout master and notes master. सो मास्टर व्यू में आपके पास 3 चीज होगी, स्लाइड मास्टर, ओके, हैंडआउट मास्टर एंड नोट्स मास्टर. नाउ they store information about the presentation. So basically ये क्या करते हैं, आपकी slides की information को store करते हैं, including background, colors, fonts, effects, place holding and size, position of text. Okay, here we can see. Now learn slideshow view. How we do slideshow? The slideshow view is used to preview a presentation to make sure everything is in place. So basically स्लाइड शो व्यू क्या करता है, अगर आपको इस ऑडियंस पे शो करना है, so before showing this to our audience you can recheck it with the help of preview button. Okay, so preview and slideshow is we can change and we can edit the things, okay, which is not good or which is our correction part. Okay, now to make sure everything is in place, to access slideshow view, click on slideshow button at the bottom left of the window. Now how to display slide? So basically जब आप presentation दे रहे हैं, so आप slides को display कैसे करेंगे? There are many ways to navigate from slides to slide when you are editing your presentation. The method you choose depends upon the view which is currently active. You can use either the keyboard or the mouse to navigate the slide. So basically अगर आपको slides को move करना है in the front of audience or in the front of yourself, like means when you are doing the changes, so you can use your mouse as well as your keyboard. Okay, while using the keyboard you have to see the shortcut keys to navigate slides using the keyboard. For example, page up, it takes you one slide back at a time, and page down takes you one slide forward at a time. Control home takes you to the beginning of the presentation, and control N takes you the end of the presentation. So these were the shortcut keys to navigate the slides in a presentation. Now using the mouse, what you can do here, with the help of mouse, the mouse can also be used to scroll through the presentation in the normal view, slide view or outline view. The vertical scroll bars also contain previous slide and next slide button. So basically जो आपके scroll button होते हैं वो previous slide and next slide के buttons को भी contain करता है. Now these buttons help us to move to the previous or to the next slide. So basically ये button क्या help करते हैं आपको previous और next slide पे जाने के लिए. Now we have the topic slideshow. To start a slideshow of your presentation, click on slideshow tab. You will see start slideshow group or slideshow ribbon. So basically slideshow का group जो है slideshow start slideshow, ये आपको slideshow ribbon पे मिलेगा, like ribbon पे slideshow option पे मिलेगा. There are two options of showing slideshow, from beginning or from current slide. So basically आप जिस slide में हो वो from current slide है, and from beginning, that means from the starting. These will start a slideshow of your presentation. All your slides will appear one by one on the full screen. When you are in the slideshow view, you can keep clicking the mouse. Okay, so just right clicking and you will see that you are moving towards next slide, and or just keep pressing enter key. Okay, so enter key again will go to the next slide. You can stop the slideshow by pressing the escape key on the keyboard. Now right clicking anywhere on the slide in the middle of slideshow will also display a pop-up menu. You can go to the next slide by clicking on next, and you can go to the previous slide by choosing previous, and choose the end show option to end the slideshow. Okay, then we have a fact that you will read later, okay, in your class. Now we have key points of this chapter. So basically here we have Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 is a complete presentation software. हमने पढ़ा था कि एक बम्पर ऑफर की तरह है कि इसमें हमारे पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, बहुत सारी थीम्स, लेआउट्स होती हैं. A presentation is a systematic display of information. Basically what presentation refers to, कि आपकी जो information है वो एक systematic manner में present हो रही है. Okay, we can insert text, picture, sound, animation in the content of our presentation. हम अपनी presentation में इन सारी चीज़ों को ऐड कर सकते हैं, इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. We can create presentation by using templates or the themes. There are three main views to see a slide in MS PowerPoint, that are normal view, slide sorter view and slideshow view. Okay. Then we have gradient fill option is used to apply a shaded background. The slideshow view is used to preview a presentation to make sure everything is in correct place. The notes pane is located under slide pane. We can type notes that apply to the current slide. So basically note pane क्यों होता है? ताकि हम अपनी slides से important notes को हम नीचे लिख सकें. There are two options of showing slideshow, from beginning and from current slide. So slideshow आप two manners में कर सकते हैं. अभी आप जिस slide में वहाँ से start करने के लिए, और from the beginning of the presentation. Okay. So that was your chapter. On the basis of your chapter, we have given some question present on your back exercise. Okay, which you people will do with the help of the concept of this chapter. So by here we have completed our chapter. I hope each and every concept of this chapter is totally clear to you. Now I will meet you in the next video with another chapter. Till then, keep on learning, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.